Pepe, do you have to do that right in my ear? Huh? You gotta snore right in my ear? Huh? Turn over.